What's up, guys? Today, what I want to show you is how to build a brand new database using Microsoft Access. And also, I'm going to show you how to build a table by linking a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Access. Let's start. So first, double click on blank database. Let's name this DB1. You can name it whatever you like. I already have a folder that I already created on my desktop, so that's where I want to save it. Just please remember, if you're linking anything, make sure that you don't move things around. So anytime that you move things around, your link will get broken. All right. So here, I'm going to go into my desktop. My folder, the one that I named, is called database. So hit OK, hit create, boom. Now you have a database. I don't like their table. I like to create my own table. So I'm going to close out of theirs. And the way I like to do it is I like to go into external data, go to new data source from file. My data set is in Excel. So click on Excel. I like to link mine because anytime that I make any kind of changes into my spreadsheet, my database will automatically get updated. So click on link to the data source by creating a linked table. Click on browse, go back into your desktop, into the folder. So I named this data set. Now I'm going to hit open, hit OK, hit next. Make sure that this is checked off. First row contains column headings. Hit next. You can name this whatever you like as well too. Let's just name this Excel. Hit finish. Hit OK. And guess what? Now you have a table. Now, the way you can check this is go to Home, go to View, Design View, and here's your data type, and here's your field names. Hit Data Sets, Data Sheet View, and now you have everything here. Now you have a table. And anytime that you make a change on your spreadsheet, this will automatically get updated as well too.